Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this spaceship toy. This is a very long spaceship. So this is at the top and under here. So also have these two wings. And here also can shoot as well, like this, and also here can shoot as well. And also on this, and also on this side also can shoot as well. Like this. We also have one wing here and here, another side, and also this wing can turn down as well, like this. Can turn to be under and can be around like this. This. So also here at the front also can take off as well, like this. So I have one seat over here and a computer here. So for controlling the spaceship. And let's take a look at the back here. So here also can open and close, open and close. Oops. Not so good. Oh my god. Looks like I'm gonna broke it. Okay, so now let's take a look inside. Have to take out the roof. Can't really take off. We can take out. Oops. Now I can take out. I can put it later. It's break. So inside here we have a box here with the many guns, and also have these 5 shares, and this one share also can spinning around like this. So over here it's something for keeping explosion. So and have to take out this one too, and here. So here have something like the place to party. So this is for opening the song and can party. So this is something that has a light, and so here also have some kind of inside the gym, and have a dumbbell over here. Also have a roller skate here, and I have something I have something for you guys to see. Wait a little bit first.
Lâu Nick, Papa will come back.
Can't really find it. I want to show you guys two, but I can find only one. So this is like a transformer car, which you can try to transform it, but I think this is difficult to me. I can't do it. So I have to fix this, but later. Bye bye. Please subscribe for more videos and don't forget to thumbs up. Bye bye.